Ford has confirmed that the order banks for both the 2024 Ford Ranger and the Ford Ranger Raptor will open up today, May 26. In an email from a representative, the company said, the order banks for the all-new 2024 Ford Ranger and Ranger Raptor will open late today. Customers can go to their dealer to place their orders.
Auto News Channel.
Ford revealed the US-bound Ranger earlier this month, and now you can build and price your dream pickup. The model's configurator is live, providing a better look at the trims, options, and prices. The entry-level Ranger starts at $34,160. All prices include the $1,595 destination and delivery charge. The XLT starts at $37,100, while the Lariat has a $45,120 price tag. The Ranger Raptor sits at the top of the model's lineup in performance and price, commanding $56,960. The new, redesigned 2024 Ranger is more expensive than its 2023 sibling to start, priced at $28,895 to start. However, the redesigned 2024 Ranger also comes with a lot more standard equipment. The SCX Appearance Package is included and adds 17-inch silver-painted aluminum rims, LED reflector headlights, halogen fog lights, a dampened tailgate, and premium cloth bucket front seats. That's on top of the standard 8.0-inch digital instrument cluster and the 10.0-inch center infotainment display, automatic high beams, 6 tie-downs, 2 more than the 2023 model, and remote keyless entry with remote tailgate lock. The XLT builds off the XL's plethora of standard equipment by adding LED fog lights, power folding side view mirrors, a wireless charging pad, remote start capability, and a leather-wrapped shifter. The Sport Appearance Package, which is standard, adds 17-inch gray-painted aluminum rims, gray-painted bumpers, a unique grille, and more. It also has 400-watt in-cab and in-bed power with 2 120-volt AC power outlets. Ford offers the XLT with the highlights, $945, technology, $1,560, and advanced towing, $825, packages. Customers can get the tech and towing ones combined for $2,305. The combined upgrade adds the trailer tow pack, adaptive cruise control, trailer brake controller, front parking sensors, enhanced active park assist, and more. The Lariat brings the kit and luxury, replacing the 8.0-inch digital instrument cluster and the 10.0-inch center infotainment display with 12.0-inch screens. The Ranger Lariat comes with LED projector headlights, a power-sliding rear window, rain-sensing wipers, a heated steering wheel, a 10-speaker BO sound system, and 10-way power driver and 8-way power passenger seats. It's not short on safety features, either, coming standard with front parking sensors, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, enhanced active park assist for two-wheel drive models and active park assist 2.0 for four-wheel drive ones, and a 360-degree camera. The Lariat comes standard with the Sport Appearance upgrade. Adding 18-inch wheels, a unique grille, and painted bumpers, the XLT and Lariat are available with an optional chrome package that includes 18-inch chrome-like wheels, chrome door handles, a chrome exhaust tip, chrome fog light bezels, chrome tow hooks, and optional chrome running boards. The Lariat also gets chrome mirror caps. The chrome pack is technically free, however, it requires the integrated box side step to be optioned, which is $215. The two mid trims also have an optional FX4 off-road package that adds OWL tires, the electronic locking rear differential, an exposed brass steel plate, off-road tuned shocks, skid plates, and a terrain management system. It's a $1,295 upgrade for both. The Raptor is the ultimate Ranger at the top of the lineup. Under the hood is Ford's 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine pumping out 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. It has 17-inch wheels wrapped in 33-inch all-terrain tires, full-time four-wheel drive, a 4.27 rear axle, locking front and rear axles, Fox racing shocks, a Wattslink rear suspension, flared fenders, and skid plates. It includes much of the Lariat kit, like the larger screens, adaptive cruise control, active park assist 2.0, and 360-degree cameras. However, it has some unique features as standard, such as the Pro Trailer Brake Backup Assist, Trailer Brake Controller, and Zone Lighting. The only big option available is the beadlock wheels, which are $1,495 extra. The Raptor is available in 9 colors, the most of the lineup, and includes the exclusive sheltered green metallic at no extra charge. The other colors are Shadow Black, Oxford White, Iconic Silver Metallic, Hot Pepper Red Metallic Tinted Clear Coat, $495, Carbonized Gray Metallic, Velocity Blue Metallic, Cactus Gray, Azure Gray Metallic Tricoat, $995, which are also available on the XLT and Lariat. The entry-level XL's palette lacks the Azure Gray Metallic Tricoat option. Subscribe, like, don't forget the bell.